2019 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, power driver's seat, driver convenience group, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.